In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images glow in Canva. If you've ever wanted your photos or graphics to stand out with a soft, eye-catching aura, this is a quick and reliable way to do it. The glow effect works beautifully for thumbnails, social posts, or any design where you need just a bit more pop and contrast. First, open Canva and head straight to your project. This can be a new design or an existing one you're editing. Once you're in, insert your images into the canvas. You can bring them in from your uploads or choose from Canva's library. Images with clear subjects, simple backgrounds, or transparent PNGs tend to glow especially well because the halo is more visible around the edges. Next, select the image element you want to enhance. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it. With the image active, look to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo or Edit Image, depending on what your interface shows. This opens the editing panel where all the effects and adjustments live. In that panel, navigate to Shadows and choose the Glow option. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the effects or expand the Shadows section. Once Glow is selected, you'll see controls for color, size, blur, and intensity. These are the keys to dialing in a look that matches your design. Pick a color that complements your image or your brand. A contrasting color will make the subject stand out, while a color pulled from the image creates a more cohesive, cinematic feel. Size controls how far the glow spreads from the image edge. Larger values create a broader halo. Blur softens that edge, turning a hard outline into a gentle fade. Intensity raises or lowers how strong the glow appears. Subtle values are great for a professional touch, while higher intensity can create a bold, neon vibe. As you adjust, zoom in and out to see how it reads both up close and at a normal viewing distance. When you're happy with how it looks, click Apply. This locks in the effect for that image. If you want the same look on other images in the project, just select them and repeat the process so your design stays consistent. That's all it takes to make images glow in Canva. Thanks for watching.